you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing, 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? I take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
唔好要我講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦！
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食多過你食米啦，我知我係啱嘅。想乜撚嘢啊？
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啦！廢話，呢啲廢話邊人聽啊？我做咁多嘢，你就咁對我？鬼唔望你死！
Cheap noodles!
Hey!
Hey, all Hollywood movies, super cheap!
You! Come buy groceries!
You want DVDs? Every DVD you want, right here! Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you?
Maybe.
You want good clothes for less? I got special deals. Hey, come on in. I got special deals.
Anything you need at the market, come talk to me.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Meg, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Get out of the fucking way, Laura! Out of my way!
Coming through!
Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be killed!
專踢屎忽鬼㗎！
放開我！
我哋知啊，你實死我哋扯太緊啦，收住啦，好冇？
Kill him！
我呢日好耐㗎啦。
放手啊！唔好咁啦，仲有得靠樣揾食啊！
Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊 ！The fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd!
我頭響度，咁嚟我啊！睇下邊個跌契底。同我打撚死佢！
使狗肥肥啊！開眼你拖啊！
你老味，同我打大力啲！哇！嚇撚死我啊！
你就好玩得過。
要斑馬酒樓打電話啦，唔係等陣冇手撳啊！
哇 ！Kill him! Somebody fucking kill him, please!
Wow！ 哇！你睇唔睇到啊？我哋小撚手！
I'm gonna kill you! 殺你個仆街！啊！Dog guy's gonna kill you!
Fuck dog guys! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, okay, but please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
睇人，咪走啊！咪喐，踎低。
hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
Well, for God's
protocol,
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.